Do you know if he's standing on? I'm not picking up right now.
I'll get here. Kimberly.
What was the name of Superman's dog?
FDR's dog's name.
Crypto. Yeah, you already won one. What did everybody else say that? You said it right there? You said it right there? Okay. Come on back. Everybody there? Everybody there? Okay, what we're going to do as a warm-up right now before we get started. So I assume we have all done.
Matt and Tamale.
Tamale. I take it Tamale's this guy? Oh, you're Tamale. Okay, who we got here? Hi, Mr. Matt. Hi, Tamale. How are you? We're part Okay, cool deal. Thank you very much. Be careful on your way. Let's give him a hand. Big round of applause here. Anyway, Dr. Seuss, Sam I am, one of the finalists. What can we hear, sir? So who do we have here?
This is thing 1, thing 2, I'm Cat, and this is the Grinch.
The Grinch.